All right, welcome back. We are on level 6 of lesson 8, sprites. So, adding animations. This program draws 4 sprites to the screen, and one of them has an animation from the animation tab. Do this. Run the code to see what happens. All right. Okay. Look in the animation tab to see what animations are available to you. Show me where. Hmm. Not what I want. All right. Um, looks like that's blocked. That's okay though. All right. And then we're going to use the set animation command to change the look of your other sprites. All right. Feel free to alter your animations or choose a new one. Okay. So we are running the code. We see what happens. Look at the animation tab to see what animations are available to you. All right. Alien, bunny, flybot, plain red. Okay. Use the set to change the look of your other sprites. All right. So we got to come in here and we're going to say top left sprite is going to change to bunny. And another one. So this one's going to be bottom. Oh, wait, no. Top right sprite is going to change to be flybot. And last but not least, we have bottom left sprite. It's going to change to whatever's left, which is plain red one. All right, so we're going to reset and run it. And there we go. Now instead of gray rectangles, we have actual characters. Love it. All right, so with that, we're going to click finish, and I will see you on level 7.